the Urban Soul Chef. Made it up to Wisconsin. Here for a few days. Going to check. I've been here earlier this year, but I'm going to check the culture out a little more, food scene, and see what's different. See what I can get from here. Take back to Sweet Home Alabama and use in some of my cooking videos. Stay tuned. We're going to have a great time while we're here. I'm going to get some great footage, so stay tuned. Talk to you guys later. Right now I'm here at a rest stop. Beautiful rest stop. I've discovered in my travels across this country that a lot of times the rest stops are better than stopping at a gas station to use the restroom. Yeah, it's so beautiful. And most of the time the states make them beautiful because this represents their state. And a lot of times this is the first contact you have with the state. So we're here at a rest stop and it is nice, very nice. If you want to read that, just pause the video, read it. Vicksburg, Mississippi. That's actually where I'm from, not Vicksburg, but Mississippi. All right. This is actually a rest stop. It's more like a resort than a rest stop. The only thing it doesn't have is a restaurant. They have vending machines and everything, but this is Wausau. Wausau. Look at that corn. Oh my God. Beautiful. All right. I've heard a lot of great things about this soda. Mama's not feeling too well over there. It's a little too fast paced for her. I think, she's overwhelmed with all the small buildings and stuff. She's feeling faint and everything. But I'm doing a product review on the Wisco Pop, which is a pop here in Wisconsin. If you look closer, it has organic ingredients, strawberries, organic lemons, and organic cane sugar. This pop was recommended to me by Rara. She recommended it to me, so I'm gonna take a try. I'm gonna try this for the first time. Roz, you wanna hold this while I...
Which way?
Where you can see it.
Oh. It's dark.
Hopefully it screws off. Whoa, screws off. That's a plus. You didn't have to have an opener. Let's see how it smells. Knock my other pop over. She's about to buy me another pop. It smells like strawberries. Let's see how it tastes. The real proof is in the taste. It tastes like strawberry in a bottle. It tastes like a natural strawberry with a fizz to it, and it's sweet. It's good. I have to give it to you. It tastes better than a regular strawberry pop because most strawberry pops are nothing but sugar with a dash of red coloring and a dash of strawberry flavor. So I recommend this. I recommend this pop, Wisco Pop. If you can get it in your city, get it. It's good. It's good. Strong too. Strong soda taste. So that's my review of this. I'll give it thumbs up. All right.